If you're looking for a reliable HDMI cable that can handle long distances without losing signal quality, this 100 feet HDMI cable is worth considering. CL3 rated and designed specifically for in-wall installations, it offers a clean, professional look that keeps your setup tidy and safe behind walls. One standout feature is the detachable signal booster adapter. This must be connected to the HDMI input end to maintain signal strength over the long run. The cable itself is directional, so make sure to follow the instructions for the best performance. It's built with fully shielded, heavy-duty 25 Aruban fluorines wire, ensuring durability and minimal interference. This cable supports high-speed data transfer at 10.2 gigabits per second and a bandwidth of 340 MHz. That means it can handle refresh rates up to 240 Hz and 48-bit deep color, delivering smooth motion and vibrant visuals. Whether you're watching 3D movies, streaming 4K content, or gaming on your PS4 or Xbox One, this cable keeps up with the latest standards. Compatibility is broad. It works seamlessly with LCD, LED, and 3D televisions, Blu-ray and DVD players, gaming consoles like PS3, Wii U, and more. Plus, it supports advanced features such as Ethernet channel, audio return channel, Dolby True HD, and DTS HD Master Audio, enhancing your home entertainment experience. The cable is made from 99.9% oxygen-free copper, which minimizes signal degradation and ensures a stable connection over long distances. It's also RoHS-compliant, meeting environmental safety standards. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty from Gear IT, this cable offers peace of mind with every purchase. Users across the United States praise its quality and reliability. While some note it's a bit pricier than average, the convenience of ordering online and the performance it delivers make it a solid investment. Whether you're adding an extra monitor to a surveillance system or upgrading your home theater, this cable stands out. If you want a hassle-free, high-quality HDMI solution that supports the latest video and audio formats, this 100 feet cable is a smart choice. Its in-wall rating and signal booster adapter make it especially suited for permanent installations where reliability matters most. Worth a look if you're ready to upgrade your setup with a cable that balances performance, durability, and clean installation. Try it when you're ready to enjoy crisp, uninterrupted signals no matter how far your devices are placed.